Acton Martin house circa 1870, built in the Italianate style. Edward Acton, an Irish immigrant, purchased this property in 1868. He was living here with his wife Bridget and their 7 children in 1870. Whether the previous landowner, Daniel R. Neal, had built this house or not is unclear. Neal owned the property from 1855 to 1868, but lived with his daughter on the corner of 9th and Juliana Streets in 1860, not here. In 1871, Prussian-born John G. Fisher and his wife Louisa purchased the house, and it remained in the Fisher-Frederick family for many years. The house was designed in the Italianate style, reflected in its wide bracketed eaves, low-pitched roof, irregular outline, and vertical aspect. The Italianate style was popular in America from the 1850s to the 1880s, overlapping other Victorian-era styles. The bricks are handmade, and the mortar is of sand and lime with little or no Portland cement, indicative of its early construction. While the window placement on the sides and rear of the house have been somewhat altered over time, the street facade remains intact. The windows are 6 lights or panes over 6, a type typical of pre-Civil War house construction. Later Italianate style houses usually have a 2 over 2 light pattern.